Hi, I'm Kendrick, and we are cooking for love today.
My name is Kathleen Hall. I am CEO of the Mindful Living Network, and I'm excited to be here today with Kendrick to find out what our treat is going to be today.
We are doing pecan brittle because this is pecan month, and we're in Georgia, which is a huge economic industry for us. And we have the best pecans ever. So the reason we also chose this is
and Jim happens to be from South Georgia.
Yes, he does.
So he grew up in pecan country.
He loves it.
So this is a holy, sacred food. Okay?
So since it's Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, you might want to take a hostess gift, or you might want to give a gift, or you might want to take this as a wonderful dessert. So before I did this, I thought it was so hard. I was actually intimidated, and this is like nothing to it.
Number one, we're intimidated.
Yeah.
I've never been able to do it. But let me tell you, number two, it's so expensive.
Yeah.
That when you buy pecan brittle to send it to friends and stuff, since
Yeah.
we're from Georgia,
Yeah.
Jim likes to give it to other doctors and things.
It's
so expensive.
It's expensive. Well,
And like you said, it's daunting.
Yeah.
You never make it.
It's easy.
Wait till you see this.
Okay, so basically we start with 4 ingredients. We've got Georgia pecans, and we've got sugar, we've got corn syrup light, and we've got salt. So all we're going to do is just mix these in real quick. This is it. I can't believe it. Kind of get that kind of going.
Is that Karo syrup?
It is. It's corn syrup.
Oh, wow.
So basically we do this and we mix it a little bit and we put it in the microwave for literally 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. This is to start it. So we mix it and then we just kind of do like this. I mean, really you can just use a fork. And then this is what it looks like after you've cooked it for 3.5 minutes.
Really?
It's hot and it's all melted together. So the second stage for this is to add, I'm going to get this out, and I'm going to add butter. I'm going to add vanilla, and mix that in. And then the interesting thing is you add baking soda. And baking soda gets it all foamy.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I've never understood.
I mean, who would have I know.
Yeah.
And so you mix it, and then you put it in for about 2 more minutes. Kind of look at it. The longer you cook it, the more brown it gets. So it depends on how you want it. So basically that's what it looks like. So you put it in for about 2 more minutes, and then you smooth it out here, and this is what it looks like when you're finished.
So then you break it up? Or however
When it's cool, you break it up. All you do is take this and just spoon it out, just dump it out and sort of shake the pan and let it flatten out, and that's it. Bon appetit, here you are. So this is how you make pecan brittle.
What is she doing with the pecan brittle over there?
Oh, excuse me.
What is going on here? Oh my God!
It is wonderful.
It's light as air.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what the baking soda does?
Baking soda makes it light.
Really?
That's it.
That is absolutely amazing.
That's it.
This is, I'm telling you, you take this to a party, right? Anything. Plus, pecans are nutritious. Here I go with my nutrition kick again. We all need to eat nuts. It's brain food. It's good for your immune system. Nuts are huge in diets all across the world.
Protein.
It's got a unbelievable glycemic index. It's satiating. You won't get hungry between meals. So this is amazing. And I'm telling you, I'm Kathleen Hall.
I'm Kendrick.
And this is Kendrick. And this is what you call really cooking for love.
That's right. Enjoy it and come back and see us again. Thank you.